If you don't know how to achieve salon quality nails at home in just a few minutes with press-on nails, continue watching this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is Brianna, and today we are diving into the world of press-on nails again, and we are going to be transforming your manicure routine from something real simple to something that is salon-like quality. So let's go ahead and get into it. First order of business, I am making a set for someone else, so if you were doing this for yourself, you would be sizing your own nails in person. And the best way to do that is just to get all your different sizes that you have available and see which one fits best. The best way to achieve that type of appearance is by making sure that your press-on nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. It'll make sure that the nail fits nice and snug and that it won't come off quicker than usual, and that everything has a salon-like look to it. Next, you're gonna go ahead and find you a nail stand. They can be a nail stand with 5 posts on it, or you can find a 10-post nail stand, and you're gonna use wall tack to press your acrylic nails, your press-on nails to your nail posts. And the one I have is magnetic, so it helps me do them one by one, which is a lot easier. Today, we're gonna be redoing a style that I did before in a different shape. I like it a lot, but it's for a customer, so she wanted it in a very round looking appearance rather than an almond look. So I'm going to be taking my file and basically filing these nails down, making them look more round in appearance rather than almond shaped. Next, I'm going to be going in with my base color, which is by a brand called Colorful Gel Art. It's a builder gel and the color is BO3. It's a very blush pink. It looks very translucent in the first go round, but I apply 2 layers so it can look really nice and smooth throughout. By the way, everything I'm using in this video, I'll make sure I link in the description below. Now, moving on to the gel art. I did some of my gel art off camera. I had to kind of remind myself of what I did in my previous set. So I'm simply just going through each nail and adding swirls through the nails. This is something that does take a little bit of practice, but it does also look very nice once you master the skill. While I'm here, since all I'm going to be doing for the time being for the gel art is just letting you guys kind of watch me, I figured I can go over some things that are very essential for you when you need to make nails at home, or when you're looking into doing your own manicures at home. You need to be making sure that you're buying the tools that you need for this, but not just overspending. There's this stigma that you have to buy all this expensive stuff to first start out making your own nails, whether it's for a business or whether it's just for yourself at home. You don't have to. You can go on places like Amazon or Shein to buy a lot of actually decent quality materials, and it ranges from things that are fairly cheap to fairly expensive. Honestly, the things that are needed to be more high quality are some of the products like the top coats, or the cleanup materials, or things of that nature. But things like nail art, gel art, nail decal, they're not really gonna be your expensive buys. So that is something I think I could definitely share with the girls, because that was my thing that I thought I had to do. I thought I had to buy everything super expensive, everything had to be name brand, and that is not even close to the truth. You can buy a lot of things that don't, break the bank, and it'll still come out to be very, very nice and very, very quality. So that is a tip I can definitely give you guys for anybody that's interested. So I hope that helps the girls in some type of fashion. Now I'm kind of closing in on my last few designs. I used the colors black, white from a basic liner and a iridescent glitter gel as well. And so now all we have to do is add a top coat. I will be linking my favorite top coat in the description as well. So trust, all the goodies are going to be added to this video's description. Going in with 2 coats of top coat, and going in and curing that, and like I did for the whole rest of the nail, just making sure everything looks nice and satisfactory. But this is the final look, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and package everything up. This is for somebody else, and I ended up showing it to her. She loved it a lot. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the description below. I will make sure I answer them. And I hope this tutorial helps somebody, and I hope you guys are influenced to try and do your own press-on sets at home, even if it's for yourself or if it's for a business, because I really think it'll save the girlies money. This is not the economy to just be doing your manicures at the salon every other weekend when you can save money and still look flawless at the same time. So with all that being said, I'm just going to be going ahead and packaging these nails up one by one. And this will be basically concluding our tutorial for this short round look. Very simplistic, very classy, and I do think that they will go hand in hand with some salon-like nails. So if anybody wants to compete with me, we can do that. I'm just playing. But anyways, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.